Welcome to Battle of the Best. The Best Folding Headphones is probably one of the most versatile audio accessories you can own, offering a unique blend of portability and sound quality that makes them ideal for commuters, travelers, and anyone who values convenience without compromising on their listening experience. These innovative headphones are designed to collapse into a compact form, easily fitting into a backpack, purse, or even a pocket, ensuring your music is always within reach, whether you're on a cross-country flight or just heading to the local coffee shop. Their clever engineering allows for quick transformation from a full-sized listening device to a pocket-friendly gadget, making them a must-have for the modern audiophile on the go. Number 5. Picun Y8 Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. Experience superior audio with our advanced headphones, featuring dual 40mm drivers and 3 distinct EQ modes. Easily switch between pop, bass boost, and rock to perfectly match your music. Enjoy an incredible 120 hours of playtime on a single charge, thanks to the powerful 1000 mAh battery. That's up to 30 days of listening, perfect for all your adventures without needing a charger. Designed for extended wear, these headphones feature plush, skin-friendly ear cups and an adjustable headband for a comfortable, pain-free fit. They're also foldable for easy portability. With the latest Bluetooth 5.3, enjoy a faster, more stable connection up to 33 feet. Effortlessly manage music and take hands-free calls with a built-in microphone and intuitive touch controls. Activate the low latency mode by pressing the power button 3 times. This ensures your audio stays perfectly synced with video, enhancing your gaming and movie-watching experience. Your purchase includes the headphones, audio cable, charging cable, and user manual. We offer a 1-year refund guarantee, a 2-year warranty, and lifelong customer support for peace of mind. What we like. Experience unparalleled battery life with over 120 hours of playtime on a single charge. These headphones offer 3 distinct EQ modes to tailor your audio experience. If you're a frequent traveler or someone who forgets to charge devices often, these are the perfect companions for extended listening sessions without interruption. What people say. The headphones fold up nicely for travel. Sound quality is surprisingly good for the price. Comfortable to wear for extended periods. Number 4. OneOdio Pro 30 over-ear headphones. Experience powerful bass and exceptional comfort. These headphones deliver dynamic sound, perfect for all your audio needs. Enjoy extended listening sessions with plush protein leather ear cushions and an adjustable, comfortable headband. They are built to stay comfortable, no matter how long you wear them. The long, coiled cord easily reaches your audio source. Detachable plugs mean you can connect to virtually any device without needing extra adapters. Easily monitor your audio with 90 degrees swiveling ear cups. The flexible headband ensures a fatigue-free experience, ideal for mastering and mixing. Connect to a wide range of devices with standard audio jacks. They work seamlessly with your PC, phone, tablet, and musical instruments. What we like. Immerse yourself in powerful bass with large 50mm drivers, ideal for critical listening and music production. The unique Shure port allows you to connect another pair of headphones, making it perfect for collaborative listening or sharing music with a friend. If you're a DJ, producer, or simply love deep bass and the ability to share your audio, these are the ones to consider. What people say. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price, with clear highs and decent bass. They fold up really small, making them super portable and easy to fit in a bag. The ear cups are comfortable and provide good noise isolation, even without active noise cancellation. Number 3. Riwbox XBT80 Folding Stereo Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. Experience impressive sound with deep bass and crystal clear highs. These headphones deliver a comfortable listening experience, whether you're enjoying music or taking calls. Designed for lasting comfort, the ear cushions feel like soft skin. The adjustable headband ensures a perfect, unconstrained fit for hours of wear. Enjoy up to 13 hours of music or 15 hours of talk time on a single charge. Plus, a wired option means they'll never power off, keeping your audio going. Take your music anywhere with the space-saving foldable design. They are the perfect companion for studying, working, or traveling. These headphones are designed for modern city living, fitting seamlessly into your daily routine. They are compatible with all your smart devices. What we like. Enjoy the flexibility of both wireless and wired listening, ensuring you're never without sound. The foldable design makes them incredibly portable for life on the go. If you value versatility and convenience, whether for commuting, studying, or travel, these headphones offer a seamless audio experience for any situation. What people say. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price, with clear highs and decent bass. They fold up compactly, making them very portable and easy to store in a bag. The ear cups are comfortable and provide good noise isolation, even without active noise cancellation. Number 2. Awature at 2 Kids Headphones. Protect your child's hearing with our built-in volume limiting technology. It ensures the sound stays at a safe, pediatrician-recommended level, adjustable for different environments like study or travel. These are a must-have for school, featuring a universal 3.5mm jack compatible with all their devices. They provide reliable sound for all their daily and school applications. With a built-in sharing jack, your child can easily connect another pair of headphones. It's the perfect way to share movies or projects with friends or siblings without needing extra accessories. Built to last, these are crafted with sturdy materials and are CPC certified for safety. They can withstand twisting, bending, and rough daily use, making them a reliable choice for school. Equipped with a premium built-in microphone, they ensure clear voice communication for online classes and video calls. It's essential gear for every student's online learning needs. What we like. Prioritize your child's hearing with built-in safe volume limiting technology, adjustable for different environments. The integrated microphone is perfect for online learning and calls. If you're looking for durable, safe, and functional headphones for your child's school needs or travel, these are an excellent choice for worry-free listening and communication. What people say. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price, with clear highs and decent bass. They fold up compactly, making them easy to store in a bag or pocket. The ear cups are soft and comfortable, even for extended listening sessions. Number 1. OneOdio Y8 ANC Headphones. Experience studio-grade sound with our advanced audio technology. The custom-tuned drivers deliver rich, detailed sound across the entire frequency range, letting you hear every nuance of your music. Escape distractions with powerful active noise cancellation. It effectively reduces ambient sounds, allowing you to focus on your audio or enjoy peaceful quiet. Need to hear your surroundings? Switch to transparency mode instantly. Enjoy an incredible 100 hours of playback on a single charge, even with noise cancelling activated. A quick charge provides hours of listening, so you're always ready for your longest journeys. Designed for extended wear, the plush ear cups and adjustable headband provide a comfortable, personalized fit. Their foldable design makes them easy to take anywhere. Connect effortlessly via the latest Bluetooth or use a wired connection for lag-free audio. They are universally compatible with all your devices, adapting to your every need. Tailor your audio experience with a dedicated app. Choose from preset sound effects or create your own custom EQ settings to perfectly match your music preferences. Unlock a world of possibilities with integrated AI. Enjoy hands-free voice chat, language translation across numerous languages, and enhanced learning experiences, all from your headphones. What we like. Escape distractions with advanced active noise cancellation, perfect for noisy environments like flights or commutes. Experience the future with integrated AI translation for seamless communication across languages. If you're a frequent traveler, a remote worker needing focus, or someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology and long battery life, these headphones offer a premium, intelligent audio experience. What people say. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price, with clear highs and decent bass. They fold up compactly, making them easy to store in a bag or pocket. The ear cups are soft and comfortable, even for extended listening sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.